Hello, I'm Jonathan Barker, course leader for Computer Science and Digital T-Levels at Oldham Sixth Form College. An ex-student here in 2009, and I'm now back as a teacher. I think it's vital at the moment that we study IT and computer science, especially because of the situation that we found ourselves in with COVID. The UK has a massive digital shortage and we just can't get the professionals in place quick enough, really. So I imagine every student that will study at Oldham Sixth Form would have a very, very good chance of moving on to a digital career pathway in the future. Well, it's all about logical thinking, and it's all about looking at computational thinking as well, and pattern recognition and algorithmic thinking. Students will study a range of different topics, from the legislation involved in computer science and IT all the way up to the programming fundamentals and the creation of algorithms, and even looking at project work and things like global information and the Internet of Things and how it impacts us in our everyday life. So for computer science, there is exams. In the first year, there's an exam and an on-screen practical programming exam. And in the second year, there is exams as well as coursework. And our vocational programme, there are exams involved in that, but there's a heavy element on the coursework. So we like to combine IT and computer science extras. So we do lots of trips away, looking at things like Barclays Bank, going to different companies like the Sharp project down in Manchester, with lots of startup companies. We run a trip abroad as well most years. So we've been to Brussels and looked at what they're doing there in the centre, and also we've been to Berlin in January. So we had a look at things like the Spy Museum. We went to the National Computer Museum in Germany as well, and looked at where some of the first computers were actually developed and made. So when students leave in computer science and IT, they move on to higher education, the majority of them. There's some students last year that went on to higher education apprenticeships, so looking at degree apprenticeships where the company actually pays for their degree and they learn skills on the job. More and more students are now taking that option, which is a fantastic thing that they can do, and it's on the vocational and the A-level courses, which is brilliant. As well as that, some students have even gone straight into jobs in IT and computer science, and that's simply because we've put them into touch with different companies, and our fantastic careers and employability department here have put them on to these opportunities.
Hello, my name's Bryn. I'm a maths teacher here at Oldham Sixth Form College, teaching maths and statistics as well. So maths is an excellent subject that's a popular subject with students. It's great for going to university. Lots of universities look for skills developed in maths as things that they'd want in their courses for a lot of different courses. So studying maths or statistics, we've also got further maths as well. You'll develop lots of analytical skills, problem solving and logic skills. These are really useful for solving lots of different problems theoretically and also practically in real life. In our courses we've got maths, further maths and statistics. If you want to study further maths, you have to do maths as well. So that takes up 50% of your timetable as two of your choices. Statistics is more applied, so that goes better with subjects like biology, chemistry and some social sciences as well. Every year there is the Senior Maths Challenge, which students might have done Junior Maths Challenge at high school, which is a problem solving thing. We're also involved in visits to University of Manchester for different mathematical competitions throughout the year. Students go on to study a number of different subjects at university or going on to apprenticeships and jobs. Some of the things are medicine, architecture and other math related things as well.